English with Teacher Iya. Hello, grade 8. It's time to learn English. Let's learn about compare and contrast. To be able to compare and contrast is an important skill in reading and speaking English language. It helps us to organize information more efficiently. It is also an important skill in our everyday lives. What comes into your mind when you hear the words compare and contrast? Making a comparison and contrast is a means of seeing how things can be similar or different. Compare. To identify similarities between two or more things, ideas, or people. Contrast. To identify differences between two or more things, ideas, or people. Compare. It comes from the Latin prefix cum, which means with or together, and the root word par, which means equal. So compare is to show how two or more things are alike. When you compare things, you show how they are equal. Contrast is from the Latin word contra, which means against or opposite. So to show how two or more things are different. When you contrast things, you show how they are not equal. When comparing and contrasting, we usually use adjectives or describing words, verbs or action words. Compare and contrast. When we compare, it's similarities. When we contrast, it's differences. For easier comparison and contrasting, we can use the Venn diagram. In the middle, you will write their similarities, and on both sides, their differences. Let's compare and contrast the lion and the zebra. We will use the Venn diagram. We will put their similarities at the center and their differences at each sides. Their similarities are lions and zebras are both animals. They both have 4 legs. Zebras and lions are both mammals. Lions can walk and run, as same as zebra. Lions are strong as zebras. Their differences. Lions are color yellow and gold, whereas zebras are black and white. Lions eat meat and called carnivores, whereas zebras eat only vegetables and called herbivores. When it comes to running, lions are slower, while zebras are faster. Zebras can easily be tamed, unlike the lion. Try to answer the following examples. Use the Venn diagram. Compare and contrast burger and salad. Cell phone and laptop. Use the Venn diagram to compare and contrast these pictures. When we compare, we use keywords or signal words, such as alike, same, equal, both, like, too, as blank as, similar, similarly, just as much, and in the same way. For example, lions and zebras are alike in that they are mammals. Lions and zebras are both mammals. When we contrast things, we use keywords or signal words such as different, unlike, more than, not as, but, however, differ, whereas, in contrast, and on the other hand. For example, lions are carnivores, whereas zebras are herbivores. Zebras can easily be tamed, unlike lions. Please answer the exercise. The Ant and the Grasshopper. Please read the short story. Compare and contrast the ant and the grasshopper. Write your answers through the sentences using the keywords that we've discussed in the video. The ant and the grasshopper. Hope you've learned something. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.